How to fix Instagram features you cannot use in iPhone 11, 12 or 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open App Store and then search here Instagram. First of all, update your Instagram. If you have any update, then here you can see the update option. After update your Instagram, then go back to your home screen and open your Insta. Now click on your account. On top right corner you can see these three lines. Now click on it and then scroll down, and here you can see the option help. Now click on help and then click on account status. Now click on feature you cannot use. Now here you can see all the Instagram features right now. After that, go back and open settings. In settings, click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and click on Instagram. Now here you can offload your Instagram app and reinstall it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.